Good morning, everybody. Time for us to hopefully have a great day today. Yesterday was pretty good. Started out pretty slow, but we ended up turning it around with BOF. Today, already starting the day with a win on CNFR, which we also played yesterday for some nice profits. But starting the day with a win on that from the 170s to the 190s, so not too bad. Not a whole lot going on in pre-market though. But CNFR was a great one this morning. Probably watched again after the open. That was from last night's watch list as well. So definitely some good opportunity there. As far as what we're going to watch today, though, we'll go through the whole gap scan and see if there's anything out there worth noting. And we've already got a pretty big nightly watch list as well, so we'll go over that. But for the most part, though, it looks a little bit snoozy again this morning in pre-market. But we'll take it slow. Again, picky. Quality over quantity. See what we can find. But yesterday was a pretty good day, though. Ended up having like 12 trades yesterday. Only like, what was it, 2 losses. 1 small size loss, 1 normal size loss. So it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad on my end. I ended the day with a pretty big, or pretty nice green day. And then we also had Coke. Coke went amazing, which we're still in that swing. Things been going great. Leading gapper, though, WISA. Leading gapper being WISA. This looks good this morning. I've been watching it all morning. I haven't been able to play it yet because I want to play it really over the highs. But this looks good. It looks good if it can break over that little triple top there at 240. Then you've got plenty of range. Nice defined risk. You've got range to about 290. So WISA over its highs. I don't like it below. But WISA over its highs up through 240 looks really good for the range up to 290. 290 and 3. I'd probably lean closer more to the 2.8 and 3. Split it down the middle. But WISA looks great to watch over pre-market highs. And again, the range is 2.8 and 3 on WISA. It does look good. I'm liking it. I am definitely liking it. I might even watch it as well out of the open if it can maintain like 215. Yeah, if it can maintain 215 as it tries to break to the upside here, I may watch it off pullbacks as well. So I guess it's really just either way. We can either watch it off 238 or 215 for the range to 2.8 and 3. And we'll see what the market gives us closer to the bell. It's still way too early. It's only 9:08, so I got plenty of time. But WISA, my top watch as of right now, leading gapper. Nice triple top off the highs. If it can break through that triple top, you get plenty of upside. And it looks pretty good. CNFR is the one I took a win on yesterday and this morning. This morning I alerted it at pretty much the lows on that pullback earlier, around 8:30. And got to move from 176 all the way to the upper 190s to 195s. So I was happy with that. As far as if I can play it again today, I don't know yet. It still looks okay. I had range marked up to 210 on the watch list, and so I don't know if that'll really be an issue just because the daily is kind of thin volume-wise. There's not really a whole lot going on using past price action, so we might be able to watch it today again. We'll have to see. We did really well with it yesterday in the live stream. Had a nice little win on it. Price action wasn't too bad. It was a little bit wonky, but everything was kind of wonky yesterday with the market in such a deep bloodbath. I don't know how I'd want to watch this, honestly. A little bit too steep off the highs. I'll look back at it later. We can put it at the bottom of the notepad so I can at least know to keep my eyes on it, but I don't know how I really want to play it, if I do want to play it again this morning. WINT, look at this. Look at this little flag forming off the bottoms. This thing gapped down 60% yesterday. Crazy. From 830s all the way to 3s. Now it looks like it's starting to bounce this morning, but this is a nice looking little bounce here. Might be worth you keeping an eye on out of the bell today. This looks pretty good. Did it have news this morning? Yes. So it gapped down yesterday after, what was the news yesterday? Let's see. Because I see today it completed enrollment of a phase 2B study. But what was the news yesterday? Was it a failed trial or something? That's usually what you'll see cause those. Or was it an offering? Looks like an offering. That's from the 23rd of last month. Let's see. Well, nonetheless, I do want to watch it today. Definitely want to watch it. Probably watch it if it can reclaim VWAP out of the open, look for pullbacks. All I can really say range-wise is back to PM highs. Over PM highs, it's got the range back to yesterday's open, which is eight bucks. Yeah, so WINT, you've got the range back to 650 and then 8 off of these lows. I'd be watching it pretty heavily today. It looks really good. Even from here, watching it over $5 looks really nice. And again, ticker is WINT. Watching it over VWAP for the range to 650 and 8. Keep your eyes on it. ATRA. What's the news here? Why is it not showing any recent news? Direct offering for ATRA. Okay. Also had, yeah, just direct offering last night. Let's see. Let's see. Trading 819 on light volume. Reminds me of the setup yesterday on PCVX. Obviously, news is a lot different, but setup-wise. And PCVX yesterday was just wild. The thing was fun. I don't know. I do like this. I might watch it similar to how I watched PCVX yesterday. Look for buyers out of the belt and look for pullbacks. It's got the range to about 930. Depending on price action after open, it does have range to about 930. I'll watch it. You've got something here. So just watch it over 8 for now. Kind of broad. But we'll see how it opens. Very similar to PCVX, how I want to watch it today. That's the one that I caught my biggest win yesterday on PCVX. Out of the open from free market watch list. LGMK, no thanks. ASST. I saw this earlier, starting to get some volume. What was it, around 8:30 or so? Left it alone. I looked at the hourly. There's not much range from here. You have that top right there from, what was it, yesterday at 274? The only way I can really see you watching this today is, honestly, off of like 220 off pullbacks out of the bell. I don't mind that. I don't mind it. If you want to watch it for dips off 220 out of the open for a curl back up into the 2.6s, you can probably get away with that. Yeah, you can probably get away with that. I wouldn't be buying it up into these highs, though. Not under yesterday's high day. But if you want to look for dips off 220, that could be good. So let's watch this pretty heavily over 220 out of the open today. On ASST, this looks great. Even from here, it looks great. That'll be off 220 for the range back to 260 and then 285. Let's see. So that looks fantastic. Watch it off the pullbacks. Even from here, we've got WISA, WINT, ATRA, and ASST so far. Oh, ASTS ended up making a move. It was on the watch list, or I was going to put it on the watch list. Didn't put it on the watch list. We can watch it today, though. I'll take a look at the chart in a second. Let me double check my gappers, make sure we didn't miss anything, and then I'll go over ASTS. Pretty good list, though, for today. And already starting the day green, too, because of that nice win on, what was it, CIFN? CNFR, whatever. All right, let's go ahead and go over ASTS. Do we have any way to look at it? Let's see. You're back up into hourly supply. Don't like that. The daily was just so nice off the 27s. That's why I was wanting to watch it today, but obviously at this point it's a bit too late. Just a wee bit too late. However, you could still watch it off pullbacks over the high of day from yesterday over 3140, similar to how I'm watching ASST. Look for a curl off the 3140 for the range back to supply up here in the 3350s. So I do like it. I want to watch it for pullbacks. I don't want to watch it through highs, though. I don't like it to the upside. I want to play it for a curl off some pullbacks out of the open, which means watching it over 3140 off of yesterday's high of day for the range back to 3350. I'm taking CNFR off the list. This list is getting too long. I don't need some mediocre setups to keep an eye on. So right now we've got 5 things. BOF, did we want to watch this again today? I had it on last night's watch list to watch it above, what was it, like 290? Where's it at now? Held off 290. Let me see real quick. Do I still like this today? Yeah, this doesn't look bad. I held the level nicely. Yeah, we can watch it today as well. This is going to be one I put at the bottom, though, because I don't know how I want to watch it yet. It's too early. So BOF is a big maybe. PCVX, take a look. This was my big winner from yesterday. I do want to watch it off yesterday's low of day still, so we're going to watch this. Don't be afraid of the high share price. I know a lot of y'all yesterday got scared from the high share price, but then it moved like 10 bucks a share in a matter of just a couple minutes. So you just got to put yourself out there. Let's see, low of day yesterday, 106.50, so watch it over 106.50. That's a little bit loose, though. I don't like that from here. That's a little loose. I may lean more towards a 108.30 for my max risk. We'll do that over 108.30. Range to be determined. Let's see. So PCVX we got GTLB. I think we looked at already. Did I still like this? I wanted to watch it off the 49s this morning. It already did pull back. 49 held. Cool. We can watch it. This looks good. GTLB off of, we'll say 48.80. for the range back up into the 53s. I think this list is pretty much coming to a... Yeah, I think we're done. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things to watch into the open today. Don't want anything more than that. Let me get these all pulled up. Make sure you do it as well. Get everything all pulled up. WISA actually broke, guys. Take a look at WISA. Remember I said to watch that over 238? Well, watch it over 238. It looks good. Definitely looks good. Nice volume on the break, too. Let's see. WINT. Let me get everything else up. Need to get it all 7 pulled up. We've got about 9 minutes until the open. Definitely keep your eyes on WISA, though. That break looks good. ASTS. There we go. Almost got it all pulled up. But please make sure you take the time to do this. Get all of your charts pulled up. Mark your levels all up. Get ready to go so you're not panicking at the open. And if you are new, my little daily reminder for you is don't trade your first day. No, we had a few of y'all join yesterday. Don't trade your first day here. Watch. See how it operates first. Go through the Start Here category. It has the broker set up and all those channels. Go through those first before you try and trade. I want you to have the best chance of success.